What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good and lovely day. So for today's video, I'm actually kind of excited. I actually have the stuff right here right in front of me. Real quick before the video does continue, guys, I do want to apologize on the delay of this video. Last video went up about 3 weeks ago, and this video was supposed to go up, I'll say, about a week and a half ago, but I had like finished editing the video and all that, and I had already rendered it and everything. And every time I finish rendering a video, I always go through it, like watch the whole thing, just to make sure that I didn't miss any like things to edit out and whatnot. And I don't know, every time I would get towards the end of the video, it would always play a audio clip of like a separate video, or not video but clip, and I just had to delete it and restart fresh. Also, there's gonna be a delay on the turn signal video. I really wanted to upload it, or not upload, but get that done, like the turn signals. I was just waiting for the months to be over so that I could finally polish the whole car. That way I could get the surface where the turn signal will be going on polished as well. But my cousin actually backed up into my bumper and cracked it, so now I have to get that fixed, and we have to wait another month before we could polish the bumper. The car is already good to be polished. All right, guys, so here we have the crack, and you guys can see he backed up into it with the toe hinge, like not the actual ball, but like the little square where the toe hinge goes in, and it cracked all the way through, so we gotta get that fixed now. Yeah, the rest of the bumper is looking pretty good. There you go. And why the hell does this person keep calling me? Someone called me. I told them that they got the wrong number. They keep calling me. That's gonna be it for the update. I'm about to go to the gym right now, and I'll let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it is we have. I was kind of worried that this item wasn't gonna come on time, because I kind of wanted to make this the next video to go up, but it did actually come in time. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we got. All right, guys, so here we have the box, which I have this to cover the address, but this is the box right here, and it has some tape that you have to cut with the box opener or with a knife. And then here we have the actual kit itself. I actually like the packaging. So this whole piece actually came in here like that to protect it, but I pulled it out of the bubble wrap just to see or make sure everything was good, and it was. Just by the look of it, I actually like how they package it. Like I said, it was inside this bubble wrap, and then it was inside this too. And I like the fact that they actually stapled it, so it's like all in one piece and not like different pieces, you know what I mean? But here we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece out just to show you guys how it actually looks. Here we have it. First of all, this is some really good plastic. It actually took me quite a while to rip open, even with the box opener. But here we have the carbon fiber layout. Now, I do know that this isn't real carbon fiber, but at the same time it is. And what I mean about that is that this inside here is actual real carbon fiber, but it's not like a carbon fiber part where you take off a piece of the dash and replace it with carbon fiber. It's just a layout. So in reality, it's not for weight reduction, because you're just taking this onto the regular dash trim of the car, or in my case of the 3-valve. But I went ahead and decided to buy these carbon fiber, not because, you know, it's gonna make me lighter, but because I actually like the way the carbon fiber looks. And for the 3-valve carbon fiber pieces, one, they're expensive. I don't have that type of money to be buying that type of stuff. And if you guys don't know, my interior is actually all black. I think the previous owner installed the all black interior because the dash is black like it is on all of them, but then as well, like in the middle part of the interior is black as well, where it would normally be silver, it's black. So I'm pretty sure they did an interior, all black interior swap, which I'm not sure, but correct me if I'm wrong. I think the all black is only on the GT500 for the 3-valve generation, or body style, you could say. But yeah, it's all black, and don't get me wrong, it looks cool, like it looks nice and slick. But I honestly got kind of tired of just seeing all black. So I kind of wanted to do something different and install these. Like I said, real carbon fiber material inside, but it's just the layout. So I'm not doing this because I think it's gonna give me weight reduction. I'm just doing this to change the interior a little bit and give it more of a pop. So yeah, I don't know, some people might consider this rice, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this up close. And from there, I don't know if I'm gonna I'll probably most likely go install it right now, but we'll see. All right, so you guys could see, I don't know how good, hopefully it picks it up pretty good, but I'm recording in 4K HDR. You guys could see how good this looks. Look at that, has a nice shine to it. And yeah, they don't send you an instruction here how to install it, but they do send you an email telling you step by step how to install. Basically, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick rundown. You just wipe the area where you're going to install it, which I'm assuming with 70% alcohol, followed by putting the layout where it's supposed to go, and make sure that the fitment is like lined up and everything. Once it's lined up, you press on it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna go install it right now, so let's go out there. All right guys, so here we are into the 3 valve. As you guys can see, all black interior. The only thing that's in here that isn't black is rings around the air vent, but that's about it. And it looks nice. Like I said, it looks nice. I don't know, I got tired of just looking at all black. I kind of wanted to see something a little bit more vibrant that pops out more, so that's why we went with the carbon fiber layout. By the way, I didn't tell you guys, but I got the carbon fiber layout kit from Dyna Performance. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right, but yeah, I got it from Dyna Performance, which if you guys want to get yourself a kit, I'll be leaving a link to their website in the description below. Now let's get to it. I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse while I install this. My problem right now is gonna be trying to find a way or a place to mount the tripod, but let's see if I can find one. It look like sheesh right now because it is hot and I don't have the AC on, but oh my god, this thing turned out really good. Let me go ahead and show you guys in depth. But here we have it, as you guys can see. Oh my god, it's really glossy and it really looks like the real deal. Take you guys in for a closer look. You can see how glossy it is. You can even see my reflection right there. Look at that. But yeah, it's really glossy. I like the fact that they even took the extra measure to put that piece right there. I was wondering where that piece right there went, which I wasn't sure, and then I found out that it goes here, which is really nice, because even though, if I don't know who puts the steering wheel this high, but if they do, it's not really noticeable. Mine goes right around there. I keep mine right around there, which it is in the view, so I would see it if I'm like driving. As you guys can see, give it focus, there you go, you will see it. But yeah, it looks really nice. I'm glad how it came out. We got the dash kit, so it was that piece right there. The 2 pieces are here, which is nice because it's not one but 2 different pieces, so if the airbags were to go off, it will still like open. It wouldn't have a problem since it is split right here. And then we got this piece right here, which is 1 full piece, followed by this piece right here, which is 1 full piece, and then this piece right here, which is 1 full piece as well. Overall, it looks nice. I'm really happy on how it came out. All right guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'm already inside my house chilling on the beanbag next to the AC because it is just so hot right now. So if you guys do hear the AC in the background, I do apologize. Like I said, I'm gonna leave a link to the carbon fiber dash kit in the description below, but also remember to leave a like on the video below if you guys enjoyed it. And also, I would really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. And I also want to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed. I remember like 6 months ago I was at 180 subscribers, and 6 months later we are at 345 subscribers as of right now that I'm recording this. which is really dope. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed. And if you guys want to see behind the scenes pictures slash videos of the 3-valve build before they even go up on YouTube, make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll have a link to my Instagram description below. Like for example, the carbon fiber dash kit, I already took a picture and uploaded it to my Instagram, which it looks really dope. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.